What is love?
Baby, don't hurt me.
Don't hurt me.
No more.
It is the east, and Juliet is the sun. Get up, lovely sun, and end the jealous moon, who is full of woe and sadness.
I'm slain! Ah! 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 God.
Oh, Romeo, Romeo, why is your name over Montague? Deny your father and refuse his name. And if you don't, I swear to Lord Jesus, I will change my name.
Shall I hear more, or may I speak?
But your name is my enemy. You would be the same even if you weren't a Montague. Oh, be another name. What's so important in a name? So, if Romeo weren't not a Montague, he'd still be perfect. So, Romeo, put your name aside.
I take these words and I accept them. I will no longer be a Montague.
Come out of your hiding.
I don't know what to say. My name is an enemy of yours. If I could write it, I would rip it. Can I swear by the moon that I love you?
Don't swear on the inconsistent moon that changes its orbit monthly.
What should I swear on?
Don't swear at all.
Will you exchange your vow of love for mine?
Yeah, later.
Hey, it's Fat Nurse!
Oh no! I'm slipping, guys!
Never let go, Jack. I mean, Romeo.
Ow! Guys!
Yeah, what's going on?
Oh no, my Romeo fell.
Somebody call 911. Sorry,
Shut up and come help me.
Okay.
Oh my God, Romeo, why you do this?
It's only a flesh wound. Hold still.
You only live once.
I don't want to make you feel bad, but this is all your fault, Juliet.
Me? How's this my fault?
Well, you did push him to his death.
Well then, I must die.
Well, that escalated quickly. Time for the body of the one that I loved, and cared for, and fed. What's the point of living anymore? I must die. I missed. Okay. My swag lives on.